Hello, good morning, everybody. Sorry, I'm just talking to myself. I'm muted. Hello. Welcome. It seems like after the London session opened up a little bit crazy here. Hello, Bear Trader. Hello, 6 Billy Bands. What's up? What's up? So, seems like we're going higher. And sorry I'm late. I couldn't start earlier. But I'm here now. So, don't worry, everybody. NQ pushing higher. To me, seems like gold is still kind of wanting to go down again. Not sure. ES still fighting with the zone at 7K. So I guess we'll see. Feeling awesome. 6 Billy Bands, feeling absolutely awesome. How you feel? I mean, I hope everybody feels great. Rappy, hello there. Hello, hello. Sorry I am late. I wanted to start a little bit earlier just to see if there's any movement, but so far nothing happened anyway, so how are you guys doing? Okay, I have a long position on NQ, so I'm gonna be holding this. Only an evaluation account just to see how it goes. I think we need a retracement, so I'm thinking shorts, but we'll see. Yes, okay. Yeah, it could very well be possible. I mean, it tried to go into that supply zone. It couldn't really. The VWAP has not been mitigated ever since the early Asia session yesterday. It kind of feels like it's getting tired and might gonna go a little bit lower here. The 7K level is definitely an interesting level. So in this case, 100 and 500, can we go up there? Oops, sorry, not that. No, I have to set this trade properly. Okay. And my stop will be somewhere down there. Okay. So any other plans? Let me know. Kind of feels like we're still a little bit of an indecision in the market for now. Austin Frank, hello. Welcome to the channel. Good to see you, Austin. How's it going? Let's see. All right, I'm here. Have I used TradeSyncer? Not yet, to be honest. I was using Quantower and NinjaTrader. I mean NinjaTrader Replicanto, but you know. Hey, Chip Smith, what's up? Hello. Austin, welcome. Cheesy Balls, hey there. What's happening, everybody? What's happening? Yeah, so I didn't really use it so far. All right, sorry, I was just reading. I'm here. Van Elven, hello there. Yeah, so waiting for the market to go higher. I would not be surprised if we take this relative equal lows at 967. We could be going lower. There's a demand zone down there. So if we break that 967, I mean, I think we can go lower. I can definitely imagine that. And so far, it's kind of a strange situation. And the same goes for gold. Do we have any news today? I'm not sure. Nothing. Consumer confidence. That's all. 10 a.m. Eastern Standard. These are not really, nothing interesting. Definitely nothing interesting. Whoa. Look at pound. So went higher. Just as euro dollar. What is happening? Okay, yen is getting weaker. Dollar CAD getting lower. Just scrolling across the board to understand what's happening. Oh, dollar Swiss. Okay. The dollar is definitely getting weaker. What's happening? Yeah, dollar index is going down. Yep, and it's gonna go down a little bit more. Crypto is somewhat holding. All right. So not much is happening so far. Just the same usual thing. The same old stuff. Karen, hello there. How's it going? Let's all smash the likes a little bit. Just a little bit. Smash the likes, everybody. How are we doing? 5 likes? No. I guess we have more. 16 likes. Okay. So we have 60 viewers. Can we push it to 30 likes? Can we get to 30 likes? You know, one step at a time. I feel like it wants to go down to the VWAP. I mean, we picked up liquidity there. Relative equal lows at 960. I might even close the small trade. Hey, Mahaj, hello. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna close it. Feels kind of weird. Could be liquidity at the 80s, but I don't know. I'm not surprised by anything anymore. But it does feel like it wants to go. Let me know if you guys have any other plan to trade this, because so far there is no other level that I can go with here. Yeah, nothing. Nothing so far. And it doesn't really want to fall down lower. Okay. Let's just, you know, wait this level. I mean, it's just interesting how the VWAP has not been tagged. No trade stocks. Hello. Who said it is long on ES? Not a bad choice. Not a bad choice. Is this... these are London lows down there, by the way. London lows all the way. But it doesn't really want to go down. At least not yet. Biblical Timothy, hello there. Your TP... Oh, I couldn't read that. About to take London low? Well, maybe. I closed my trade, so... Previous day has off. Previous day high. Well... It's not exact. I mean, it has been taken. This was the Monday high at Asia session. So, you know. That's what I would go with. $9.36. I mean, I'm using the New York Eastern Standard Time. You might have been using the... You might be using for new day the 6 p.m. candle recess. So that's why you're looking at these highs here. But I'm looking at the New York midnight time. So that's what I'm looking at. The true, as they say it in Smart Money Concepts, the true day starts from New York midnight until midnight. So according to that, my high for yesterday is 26,003. But yeah, I mean, there's nothing wrong if you want to go with the other one. It's up to you. Yeah. So according to Smart Money Concepts, the new day, the true day, actually, that's what it's called. Kind of silly. True day starts at New York midnight. No trade stocks wants it to go lower. So we'll see. So far, not much is happening. Something was happening with the yen pairs. I gotta check the news feed. There was something throughout the day earlier, maybe. There was a drop. Was it some ECB thing? Earning report. US stocks futures are heading for a new high, blah, 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 blah. Contracts S&P increase. Oh, okay. Stocks being covered. Europe stocks was high. Increase in Puma after Pinot family sold a share in this sportswear company. Okay, whatever. CS Asia Regional Index rose to a new high. South Korean. Okay. Chip makers thrive despite Trump's threat. Okay. According to Goldman Sachs, investor appetite for risk is at greatest level. According To Goldman Sachs strategist, investor appetite for risk is at greatest level in 5 years as economic confidence overcomes geopolitical concern. So it seems like, it's a risk-on situation. Investors don't care about geopolitical stuff, and you know, they just want to make money. That's what it's all about. Good morning, Mr. Miraikan. Hello, sorry, M. Miraikan. What's up? Wish you the same as well. What is going on with MyFundedFutures? I hope the new changes aren't the same as changes to the rapid plan. That was just some. I mean, so far, all I know is that, I mean, yesterday it was a surprise for me as well. I only got the information during the stream. Like, they're discontinuing the core plan, but instead of the core plan, there's something coming up. Now, honestly, guys, I don't know what it is. I don't know. All I know is tune in at 10 a.m. today at MyFundedTV, because Luke Jacoby, the founder of MyFundedTV, well, one of the big names there, the manager of the show, he's going to come to the stream at around 10 a.m. and he is going to make some announcements regarding to that as well. So honestly, even if I would know, I would let you guys know that, hey, I know what's going to happen, but I don't know. So I've been kept in the dark as well. I think they know that I'm telling all the information to you. It's not, I don't know what's going to happen, but something's happening in the back burner. Actually, it's not in the back burner anymore, but it's definitely happening. Something is happening. If your cheapest plan isn't too competitive and has trailing drawdown, it's not looking good for the firm. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, yeah, I understand. So obviously, maybe they had to refurbish something. I'm just guessing. I don't know. I'm the Tom Holland of the universe. Yeah. But like, I wish I would know. And I was surprised as well. Like, what happened to the core account? Like, what the heck happened? Okay, we are doing 33 likes and we have 97 viewers. And if we can get some more likes, if we can punch it to at least 50, then, you know, it's just a chain reaction. And I know you guys might hate me for this, for saying this, but this is what it is. We want to get more support from YouTube. If we see more viewers, more growth in the channel, you know, Proffer is gonna love us more. Give me more codes to give you guys to the community for giveaways. And the same goes for MyFundedTV as well, by the way. So just saying. Smash the likes. Smash it. Hold on. All right. Just updating some stuff. Okay. I'm sorry I'm here. I'm kind of all over the place. I just cannot do multitasking. And I'm still kind of, well, should I just jump into this one? A little bit tempted to take this. Oh, sorry. What did I just click? I don't know. What did I just do? All right. I don't know. Okay, this is gonna be it. I already have my like. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, Mirakan. I'm sorry. I'm kind of reading messages here. I'm reading my emails, some DMs. I'm posting some links. So I'm all over the place. Oh, yeah. You can get Lucid also. Lucid also works very well. So I'm going to stay with the 108 level up there. ES is still fighting. So we'll see. Oh my gosh. It's just not moving. Guys, I wish we could do something, but it's just like absolutely no volume. Looking at Lucid, their TRADEIFY plans were funded next. Oh yeah. I'm going to get some accounts today. Let's go. Yeah, TRADEIFY is good too. And again, as a reminder, we only need 3 sales at Take Profit Trader to have the channel 2 codes for giveaway, and I think I need 4 or 5 sales at TRADEIFY so we can also get codes for giveaway. Maybe even this week. So let's see what we can do. Thank you so much, Mirai-kan. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for the support. And it's definitely one of the best codes out there. I think maybe even the best, you know. Gives you almost like 1.98% better chance to pass evaluation accounts. You know, plus including your local discount at your local grocery store and gas station. So that's an extra 5% anywhere you go. Just have to mention the code at the checkout counter, and you know, that's how it goes. Well. It's just not moving. Honestly, I don't know why it's not moving. I'm going to remain bullish, by the way. Even if we go down and sweep that level, like at 966, it can happen. I'm just going to be hoping that it will turn around and go for that 108. Hey, thank you so much, Mirai-kan. You're the man. Absolutely legend. You're a legend. Thank you. And everybody. You're a legend. Appreciate it. I appreciate it very much. Let's see. So, how are we doing? We're having 49 likes. Let's go. Almost about 50. We have 121 viewers. If we can keep this, you know, around a 50% ratio, like we can push it a little bit more. I mean, nowadays the goal is to have at least 100 likes. So if you can do that, that would be awesome. But I mean, on the other hand, we're just waiting. So there was a level here, a demand zone lower, which was created in the Asia session. We didn't go down there at 923. I'm still like 70% convinced that we should be pushing higher. There is a swing high at 46. I think we should go higher and push through that level. And what else? Yeah. Most likely that. Could be. I'm looking for long from more or less. Yeah. Bit of a cheaper prices down there, 930. Wouldn't be possible. If you're looking for 930, then I will be jumping into a short position, maybe a little bit heavier, down below 967. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit. Gold still not going down. Feels like gold just wants to push it as well. The mid-level of ES is at, let's see, I mean the supply zone on the 15-minute is somewhere around 7,008. That's also interesting. But like there's nothing else we can go for. And again, I'm gonna have to scroll through real quick on some Forex pairs as well, just to make sure I'm not missing anything. Okay, there is a demand zone. I'm gonna put an alert down there. Okay, I'm gonna put an alert down there. I don't think that the dollar pairs are gonna go lower right now, but who knows? Oh my gosh, dollar CAD. What's happening here? Oof, 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 oof. Hold on, hold your horses. Yep, I think it might be going down there. Yeah, it is. Yeah, could be going down all the way. We'll see. There's not much to do, really. There's just really nothing. Slow grind for now. I mean, it's just not moving. Almost like feels boring a little bit. Like, I really thought that there's gonna be some movement here. Hey, Trading Star, I just got your message. It's not moving. It's not moving. It's not moving. It is so weird that we're practically inside of this area. I think, yeah, this is just not it, guys. I mean, obviously we're gonna wait and we'll see what's happening, but this is just not it. It's not happening. It's not doing what it's supposed to do. So, you know, kind of interesting. There's a zone here on the dollar yen. 53.68. Let's go. What's happening with the yen, by the way? No. Ding 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 ding. Hmm. Yeah, we could go to the VWAP. We can definitely go there. Van Alban, hello. Kabir, hello. Good morning. What you think for the bias today? Oh man, I'm overall in the bigger picture, I'm bullish for NQ. I wanted to go to that 2608. That's what I would be looking for. If you look back for December 5 and 10 or something, there's like 4 time equal highs up there. Just look to the left here. All these levels. So I'm just kind of looking at that. There has to be some liquidity. We tried so many times. Now I zoomed out on the 1 hour. Look at that. So actually I'm going to show this later, the same thing on MyFunded TV as well. We went down, swept quite a bit of, levels down there. Went up there, failed to go higher. Then again, didn't go there. Went lower, didn't go there. Now finally this could be the attempt that can work. But who knows? It's just difficult right now. Government intervention. Oh, so that was it. Okay. Should have known. But there was no... I was trying to read about it in the news, but there was nothing in the news about it, so... There was really nothing in the news. All right. I set up a few alerts just to see what's happening, so we're not missing any action. Terrible price action, everyone. I don't know. Terrible price action. I do have a long position, a very small one. 1 micro, just to see what's going to happen, but there's really nothing. Hey Bell, hello there. CPI has still your drawn liquidity waiting for ES. Oh yeah. It's just one of those days when you gotta wait, and that's what we can do. 64 likes, let's go. We have 168 viewers, so can we push it above 80, everybody, please? Let's go. Let's get above 80. We can do that as a team. We can definitely do that. And from 80, it's just going to be one small step to make it 100. Can we make it 100 likes? Can we go there? Good afternoon, son of Wall Street. What's happening? Good morning. Moo says, listen, I hope you slept a little bit there. You need some sleep. You need some sleep, man. Oh my gosh. I think ES still kind of want to go to that 7008, but like you did finally. Well, not too much. It's only have been like a couple of hours, but anyway, it's better than nothing. You need to sleep more. I think you should get like I don't know, 12 hours sleep maybe, but at least like 6 to 8 hours bare minimum. Money don't sleep, yeah. Yeah, sleep is quite a nice thing. Raphael, good morning. What's up? Sleep on Saturday or Sundays, yeah. Well, that's the goal, right? So anyway, we have this trade. And let's just see where it goes, right? The thing is, I can't put it to be always on the top. Can I put it there? I can't. Data box, indicators, strategies, properties. General. Okay. Show date range. Chart background image. Wow. I can upload a background image. Okay. Time highlighter. Always on top. Ooh, it stays on top. Cool. I can do that. Satish, hello. Welcome. Got 2 kids. Third is on the way. Sleep. Oh, yeah. I can understand completely. The third is on its way. All right. All is forgiven then. All is well. This is ES. Let's hide this. It's much better like this. Okay. More space. We like when there is more space. Let's switch to the 5-minute on ES. Okay. Okay. Now, what about gold here? Still on the old contract. Okay. Anyway. Filkos, hello. I say shout out to the market machine from Budapest. Almost from Budapest, but let's take it. Filkos, what's happening? Welcome. Good morning. Investor Z, hello there. Oscar, pouring in, getting into the building next to Daniel. Good to see you guys. Welcome. Just kind of waiting. Nothing special, you know. In a bit of a drawdown. Not a big deal, but I think it can go lower. Unfortunately, I think it will go lower sooner or later, which is not a good thing. It's definitely not something I want. Hey, you're a good, Camilo. Good morning. Do you bait yourself? No, I wanted to, but we had such a great time in the chat. So great questions, great topics, and I just couldn't get there. I just couldn't. And today, Luke is going to be joining us at 10 a.m. There's going to be some exciting announcement. Before you ask, I don't know. If I would know, at least I would tell you guys that I know, but I really don't know what's it gonna be. So it's a surprise. But Luke is joining me at 10 a.m. with some big announcements. That's all I know. Köszönöm, szép délután neked is. Neked jó reggelt, szép reggelt. I don't know if it's gonna, honestly, Satish, if I would know, I would at least tell you guys that I know, but I don't know. I really don't know. Are they getting back the core account? I don't know. I think it seems like that they're removing the core accounts permanently, but there's gonna be something else. I don't know. I guess they see the numbers. They know how the numbers are going on. So I don't know. 13 minutes for news. Well, there's going to be not too many news. We have the comics open real close, like 13 minutes, I think. They're not shutting down. They're definitely not shutting. Oh my gosh, if you guys would know what MyFundedFutures is like planning for this year and next year, like it's going to be real exciting. Definitely not shutting down. Yeah, everybody got crazy about the core accounts. Everybody. I received some messages as well later. And like, I mean, all I know is that if you have a core account, you can keep it until, you know, you trade it or whatever. But like, I don't know. Barrito, hello, good morning. Glickit, hello. Welcome. It's not gonna, come on guys, MyFundedFutures is definitely not shutting down. I can assure you that. Now I rarely can make a promise like that because I really, MyFundedFutures is definitely it has absolutely a huge plans, and I know some things that are happening in the background. Lots of cool things are going to happen in the future. So MyFundedFutures is going to get, I would say, maybe even the biggest. So okay. Kind of wondering. Okay, dollar yen actually swept the lows here. That's interesting. But we'll see. Yeah, so K-Bell, I agree. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. The coffee, it's just tea. But K-Bell, I agree. Yeah, let's get that coffee. I agree. I think they are doing some revamping, refurbishing on the core account. This is just my personal guess. I think they're doing something with it, you know. So that's what's happening. I didn't even know yesterday what was going on. So it was brand new information for me too. Hanky, hello there. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining. Welcome, welcome. Definitely. Okay, MyFundedFutures is not closing, so far away from that. Far away, quite on the opposite side. Actually, MyFundedFutures is expanding and will be expanding quite largely with large steps this year. So, oh. But to the public, it does look suspicious because sudden unannounced changes. You know, Karen, that's a fair point. That is a fair point. And you know, I actually addressed this later to some people around MyFundedFutures, like because I didn't know what's happening. And I was like, next time we should know more information because, you know, we need more info. The public, the traders, everyone needs more information. And that's why today Luke is going to join at 10 a.m. So make sure to tune in. Exactly. I agree, Karen and K-Bell. Yeah. Trying to short NQ. Let's go. I haven't used my funds since about June. They keep changing plans so often I can keep up. Yeah. By the way, if we look at it, I mean, you know what? That's true. They did change a couple of times the plans. So, Hanky, welcome. What happened to the core accounts? So, as of now, the core accounts are not available. It seems like permanently, but I don't have any information. My guess is that they are revamping, refurbishing the core accounts. So there's going to be something more, something else coming up. I don't know what is. If I would know, at least I would tell you guys that I know, but I don't know. So we'll see. Bear Trader, hello there. On a 50k core account, up 2k with it. Let's go. Nothing is happening. If you have a core account, just continue to trade as it were. So, Tris, good morning. Hello. Look at it, guys. This is what I got from MyFundedFutures. Did you guys saw the? I'm sorry, but I just need to show you guys again. I showed this in the London session. Look at this. Actually, let me switch this. Look at this box. MyFundedFutures. TOMSABO. JB, welcome. So these are. It has been packed. These are Apple AirPods Max 2. It's a bribe, basically. AirPod Max 2 or whatever, and it also has a holster. Look at it. Yeah, and let me just pull it out. The cool thing about it is it's been rebranded to MyFundedFutures. Look at the logo. It says MyFundedFutures. Come on, camera. Oh, it doesn't. Something's off with this. Anyway, you guys don't see this, but it says MyFundedFutures. How you might see it. So, but it's cool. Like it's kind of a cool device, and it's heavy. By the way, it's super heavy. I never had anything like this before. I'm definitely gonna be using it. It's like super heavy. So anyway. Oh, I think it just switched to Bluetooth. All right, back to the holster. Very comfy, very comfortable stuff. I mean, it's really comfortable. Oh, neked is van. Okay, HT Photo has one too. Toaster. It's like a toaster. Holster. I'm gonna back to the putting it back to the toaster. I'm not really a fan of the Bluetooth devices, so but people keep telling me like this is the future, like everything's gonna be Bluetooth and wireless and everything. But like it's good. Burning account. What's happening, Pedro? Yeah, so still just waiting, and nothing is happening. Oh, igen, nagyon felraktam a fejemre, és nem hallottam semmit, a saját hangomat nem hallottam, semmit. What you doing here? Well, I'm gonna be looking for the market to go higher to above 108. Oh, there's a lag. I'm sorry. Is there a lag? Let me check the stream. There could be a lag. We have 85 likes. Can we push it and just another 15 likes? Let me check the stream. Is it lagging? I'm just gonna keep talking. I'm just gonna keep talking. And let's see if it works. On my end, it looks good. Okay. Let me check the microphone settings there. Microphone settings. Microphone settings. Okay. Settings. Okay. I mean, to me, it seems like everything's working. All right. Did you know in Polish, Allegro or eBay, you can buy likes? I don't want to buy likes. That's just not my business. I don't want to buy likes. That's just not my. Okay, I checked it. So I don't want to buy. I don't want to do that. All right. So let's keep on waiting. 44th X Punisher, 80 of their name. Welcome. How you doing, man? How's it going? We have 94 likes. Come on, 6 more. Just 6 more. That's all we need. Wanted to short at 25,909, but I guess it will not go up. I don't know. We'll see. Comics is gonna open real soon, I guess. I don't know if I don't think that's gonna put anything else as volume into the market, but like we'll see. Here we go. You're welcome. Wanted to short. Oh, and on the CFDs. Okay. Okay. Let me check if there is a discount on Bulenox. They left it on 45%. Usually they do better. Yeah, it's still 45%. Oh, Michael, yeah, I have a Discord. I mean, unfortunately nowadays, I don't really spend too much time there, but if you guys are interested or want to get in there, I can share a temporary link if anyone wants to join. Later, there's going to be more content for Discord. Now it's a little bit like not too many things happening, but if you guys are interested, I can share a link. How about that? I can see. Yeah, or I can share my Discord. Hold on. Here's the Discord link. If you guys want to join. And, you know, there's general chat setups. You know, you can post your setups and everything if you like. Lucid Trading is very solid. I think Lucid is great. Absolutely great. Oh, I see some guys popping into Discord. Welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining. Hello. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Discord. Oh, I see the chart. Okay, nice. Hello there. Let's see. Tara, hello. Mehdi, Ebron, Michael, D, Pedro, welcome, welcome. Astravinu, hello. Good to see you guys. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome aboard, everybody. Yeah, I see the chart. It's cool. Hey, we have a new subscriber. Tiberio. Hello there. Welcome. 6 more minutes, by the way. Oh, that's you, Peachbud. Okay, Tara. All right, Peachbud. Do you know how the payout policy of Funded Next Legacy? Unfortunately, I don't. Yannick, I'm sorry. I mean, I think I have an idea, but I don't. Loving Nature Guy, hello. Hey, welcome. I'm just not up to date nowadays with that. I'm sorry about that. Okay. I'm at Hungary. Europe. Hungry Hungarian in Europe, you know. Hungry Hungarian in Europe. But no, I don't live in Budapest, but I do live in Europe. We are having 104 likes. Congratulations, everybody. Good job. And man, what a frustrating early session here. Nothing is moving. I don't really want to be here for this. I'm sorry. I just don't see the point. Other than, yeah, I'm babysitting this trade, but like, the more it goes sideways, the more I feel like it's just gonna sweep lower. Sorry, here, all the way down there, taking out that relative equal lows. So it doesn't look good. Yeah, so Headley, the core accounts, I don't know. Yeah, so if you already have one, you can keep it. Obviously, you can continue with the core account rules as it is. So no problem with that. Yesterday, it struck me as a surprise too, that because I had no information that they're taking away the core accounts. Honestly, I didn't know. And because of this, today, we are going to have Luke Jacoby, one of the upper management. I mean, obviously, he started MyFunded TV and he's upper management now. He's going to join us at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard on MyFunded TV with an announcement. I don't know what it's going to be. I'm thinking, I really don't know. I'm thinking, I'm guessing they might be refurbishing, revamping the core account to something else. Maybe that's what it is. Or I can also imagine that they're going to add the core as some sort of an add-on to the rapid or something, some hybrid combination. I don't know. Just my guess. I really have no idea. So, but 10 a.m. MyFunded TV, Luke Jacoby joining the stream, giving us more information. Michael is not interested in longs on the 1 hour price is simply too extensive. Generally, once London is swept, we'll either see a quick reclaim of the range followed by a move higher or a 200-point drop. That could be the case. And you know what? You could be right. That's why, you know, we're just going to have to find out, I guess. We just gotta have to find out. Quick look on crypto. What's happening there? Not much so far, right? Okay. In theory, core accounts are very important because we don't have such high purchasing power. I get it. And you know what, Pedro? I completely feel what you're saying. And I do feel like every prop firm, including MyFundedFutures, I mean, would be great to have a cheaper solution. So the core account was definitely, it was even without a discount, I think it was very well priced in. So it was a good value for what you're getting at. I mean, for what you're getting. So I'm just hoping that we'll come up with something similar. That's all we know. Okay, here we go. We have 8:30 here and nothing is happening. Actually, it's melting down. The minimum wage is 400. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So here in Hungary, it doesn't matter what the numbers are saying in the government officials' books. People on average are making, not in the capital in Budapest, I mean not in Budapest, but like on other smaller towns or like mid-range towns in the country, people are taking home in many cases less than $1,000. Many people are working for $800, $900. If you can bring home in Hungary like $1,300, $1,500, you are considered to be having like a double quote unquote normal salary. Like, oh, okay. But the rent, the food, and everything is just super expensive, you know. I mean, anyway, that's a different topic. Guys, I'm going to sign off because I will be preparing for MyFunded TV. I'll be there in about 29 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. Unfortunately, I have nothing here. I have the small trade, but it seems like it's just going to go to a stop loss. So it is what it is. It's just not my day today. Anyway, join me at MyFunded TV, and Luke is going to be joining us at 10 a.m. And tomorrow I'll be back for London and New York. If you would like to, MyFunded TV is, hold on, is that it? Yeah, that's the link. Anyway, I'll be seeing you guys later and tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching, and if you would like to support the channel, please don't forget to use the TOMSABO code. up there for all these preferences. We need a couple of more sales. Oh, what's happening? Dollar yen is pushing higher. We need a couple of more sales with TRADEIFY and Take Profit Trader as well to get some free accounts. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. God bless you all. Thank you for the support. And Daba Deep, hello. See you guys on MyFunded TV. God bless. Cheers.